Welcome back to German with Andy. This is the beginner's course, day 9. Das Hotel. Das Hotel. The hotel. Like we learned in the last lesson, the verb fahren, to drive, we can put fahren and das Hotel in one sentence now. For example, you could say, Ich fahre zum Hotel. Ich fahre zum Hotel. I drive to the hotel. Another question you could ask is, wo ist das Hotel? Wo ist das Hotel? Where is the hotel? All right. Now, how to use this with two other sentences? The first one, Ich fahre zum Hotel. I drive to the hotel. Literally, I drive to the hotel by cab, by my own car, or by something. But if you want to be more specific, you could say, Ich fahre mit dem Auto zum Hotel. Ich fahre mit dem Auto zum Hotel. I drive by car to the hotel. All right, I have a question for you. When do you use der, die, and das? The article in German. When do you use them? No idea? Well, here's some kind of explanation. So, every noun in German has a gender. Look at these nouns. Der Tag, das Hotel, die Hühner. They all have a noun, but a different noun. So how do you know which one it is? That is not so easy. What I can tell you is that der is a male gender, die female, and das neuter. Die also used for plurals. Well, this might sound confusing, and it could really be confusing. However, the more you learn German, the easier it gets for you. As soon as you learn a new noun, you need to learn which article to use. Is it der, die, or das? It's very important. So from now on, each lesson we will learn for each noun the article. All right, I hope that was useful for you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Tschüss!